Amanda getting mad at whiteboard and cutting herself.
Okay. I'm going to attempt this a different way now. Now that we know this is about as dangerous as a shard of glass. Okay, now I removed the base part of the... Okay, are you really going to do that right now? It's supposed to... Now you're going to go ahead and... Okay, maybe not. You're going to go ahead and ease that on there. I said ease that on there. Ease it. Yeah.
You sound like a werewolf. Do your lisp.
Now. Ow! It's like the third time the stupid has cut me. This whiteboard should be... I'm going to write a letter. Like, dear Urban's brand whiteboard, you suck. Why do you cut the crap out of babysitters and children? God forbid. Okay, now I've got it again. If it pops off, I don't know. Okay. We are going to put the tape to secure the part that kept cutting me now.
It's too funny.
So now that is just ugly.
It's so funny.
Ugly is a bad word, I'm sorry. It does not look like good quality. Right there, fine. And it still is missing this okay. Fudge! Oh my.
Time is 6:40.
Okay. Now this is the part. Everybody. Oh! Okay. This. Please don't cut me, Mr. Whiteboard. Please don't cut me.
It's so funny.
Okay. Now. I mean, we could always just go to like Staples and get a new one, or it's a lot more fun rather, to sit here and drive yourself nuts for no good reason. And did I put it upside down? No, I didn't. Okay. I think... Oh, shit. Shoot. I think that I've got it. I think that I did. There's that stupid Now, how do you like me now? It's done.
Whoa! That's how you complete a whiteboard with Amanda getting mad. Goodbye. Woohoo!